So after you dig about 2 shovel spades down, place your topsoil here on the side of where you're going to plant, and then I'm going to grab some compost that's ready. You're going to scoop some of the compost out and then carry that into the new hole. Once you get a layer of compost in here, you see a little worm down there. Once your layer of compost is in, then you fill it with the topsoil, let it sit for about a day, and then you come back in a day or two and start planting. So now you can see there's a lot of worms in here. And that's from adding soil from the compost into our new garden bed.